That's good. Clear for land, yeah. Brilliant. Whoa! Oh, that was good.
It was way harder than the Cessnas.
It was way harder.
Yeah. Should look
That
good,
is how difficult it is flying two things, trying to get close to one another if they're both totally different. Totally different. And the other thing with this is that it's a centering throttle stick.
Yes.
So that also makes it a little bit difficult as well.
Yes, because whether you're either side of the curve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
I was
still
trying to gauge the speed. I didn't want to go too fast because I thought then you can't catch up.
Yeah.
But there's a limit to
no,
how slow I could
you
go.
did it perfectly, and there were at least a couple of shots in there where it did look absolutely stunning, flying side by side with the Spitfire.
Yeah.
Doesn't get any better than that. Thanks very much,
That's
Adrian.
good. Welcome, man. It was fun, wasn't it?
It was fun. Thanks to Nikon Camera. Cheers. Bye.